issue cropped up before the Supreme Court in 2021. Now, the matter was dealt with Consumer Protection Act 2019. Now, Consumer Protection Act 2019 repealed the previous law, that is Consumer Protection Act 2000. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 repealed the previous Consumer Protection Act 1986. Now, one change brought by the 2019 Act was with regard to the jurisdiction of National Consumer Commission. Under 1986, the National Consumer Commission can deal with cases where the amount of the case is above 1 crore. But under 2019 Act, this pecuniary amount has been increased to 10 crore. It means under 2019 Act, the National Consumer Commission can deal with cases which are above 10 crore rupees. Now, when the new law was enacted, at that time one case was pending before the National Consumer Commission and the amount of the case was 2 crore. And when the matter came up for hearing before the National Consumer Commission, in that case the Commission refused to hear the matter on the ground that now the pecuniary limit of the National Consumer Commission is above 10 crore rupees. Whereas the amount of the case is up to rupees 2 crore rupees. Therefore, the National Consumer Commission has no jurisdiction to hear the case. When the order of the National Consumer Commission was challenged before the Supreme Court, in that case, the Supreme Court said that the pending cases will be governed by the repealed law and not by the new law. Therefore, the National Consumer Commission is bound to hear the matter which is above 1 crore but below. The Supreme Court then held that National Consumer Commission is bound to hear the pending matters as per the provisions of 1986 Act and not by 2019 Act. For more such videos, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.